Welcome to the in front of me BLACKVIEW BL6000 PRO 5G, and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone on this device. So first we should go into the settings application, and after that tap on the sound section. Then we'll see here the ringtone volume panel, and just to unmute the ringtone you should swipe to the right side with your finger, that's Y dot. Also we have the second way how we can do that. Just press up or down volume button here on the right side of your device, and after that tap here on the three dots, and just to unmute your device ringtone you should swipe this blue dot to the right side with your finger, and then just to save the changes by click to done. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.